Seoul first course of GNSS walking trail starts at Gyeongbokgung Palace, the first place to visit for understanding Seoul. After passing through Gwanghwamun, the main gate of Gyeongbokgung, we walk to Gyeongbokgung, the main hall of the palace. Then we look around Gyeongbokgung, Sajongjeon, Gangneungjeon, and Gyotaejeon Hall arranged in a straight line, and then visit hot places such as Gyeongwaeru, Hwangwonjeong, and so on. Next, we walk along the Seocheon area lined with cozy galleries and cafes to Tongin Market via Yeongchumun Gate. At the market, we have a unique experience of buying food with yeopjeon, filling empty lunch boxes, and having a meal. Next, we move to Susangdong Valley, located in western entrance of Inwang mountain. At Susangdong Valley, we can see Kirin-gyo Bridge in the early Joseon Dynasty and enter Inwang Forest Road. And then we visit Poets Hill in Cheongwon Park and head to Yundongju Literature Museum, following the Fortress Road. The first course will be completed with understanding the poet's life and works at the museum.